And the #1 side hustle, the highest paid, can make you up to $30,000 a day. Here it is on the screen. No cap, this really happened. I did this. And that's from teaching your skills online.
My ducks, my swans, welcome to the pond.
I don't care what it is you do. As an artist, you have a lot of skills. You know how to write, you know how to listen to music in a different way, you might know how to make beats, you might know how to engineer, you might know how to edit videos. All these things that are skills you can write systems for because you do it your specific way. If you are a realtor, you know how to sell a $250,000 house or a $100,000 house, or you understand the housing market. You have a system for that. If you have a podcast, even if you ain't got no listeners, you know how to actually set up a podcast. Get the graphic art done, upload it to Anchor, how to set up everything with the mics and the camera and all that. People are gonna want to know how to do these things. People are gonna want to know how to do these things. Damn it! People are gonna want to know how to fucking this all up. People want to know how to do this stuff. Since you know how to do it, write down your entire system, whatever it is, step by step, package it together where you have a written form, which could be an ebook. You have videos which people can watch. And now you have a course. You can use Kajabi to set your course up, and now it's out to the world. You can price it whatever you want. And if your course helps people get the result that they want, they are going to pay for it. In our How to Grow Your YouTube Channel course, that course helps people grow their YouTube channel. Anyone that buys it, their YouTube channel grows. In our How to Market Your Music on Social Media course, if you want to know how to market your music, that course gives you all the answers that you need, and people have been seeing great results because of that. No matter what skill you have, you can make a course around it. And you don't have to just upload it to Kajabi. You can upload it to another course platform like Skillshare. Skillshare is basically Spotify for courses. You know how when our songs get streamed on Spotify, we get a royalty check every month? When your courses get watched on Skillshare, you get a royalty check every month. So that's forever money. Another passive income stream from you taking one piece of content that you're already doing, the course, and putting it somewhere else. Now, I know for some of y'all, you thinking right now, bro, I ain't got no skills that I can make a course around. I'm not a rapper, I'm not an engineer, I'm not a producer, I'm not a podcaster, I'm not a chef. Hey, I get it. So this is what I'm gonna tell you to do. Steal. Who you need to steal from? Me. Go to group82university.com. Go look at all of our courses on there. Buy the courses. Take all the notes out of the courses. Watch all the videos inside the courses. Those are now your skills that you have learned from group82university.com. And I can promise you this, if you take our courses, no matter what topic it is, you are now gonna know more than 99% of the people in the world because you have put in effort to learn this topic. Because you know more than 99% of the people in the world, whoever wants to know about that topic, that skill that you have, you now have a system that you can sell them. Go buy my course, go watch my system, go write down my system, go make your own course with my system, go get rich off my system.
Group82university.com.